Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at the unboxing video of the WhiteStone dome glass easy camera lens protector. So your Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra offer an amazing camera. It allows you to capture beautiful pictures, whether it is zoom in or zoom up close. It does actually offer you a very beautiful photos when you are capturing it with your Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now you wouldn't want to leave your camera unprotected. That's why it is best if you have some kind of protection applied on top of your camera. So let's take a look at this WhiteStone dome glass camera protector and see what you get inside and how it can help to protect the camera on your device. So this is for the Galaxy S21 Ultra, but you can also get one for your standard Galaxy S21. So here it is. So inside here, inside the pack, there are two packs inside this box. 2 packs of the screen protector, and I'm just going to pull it out of the package. So this is the actual camera protector, and you got the alcohol wipe in here, and you got the dust remover stickers, and you got one cleaning cloth. So basically we just going to use the alcohol wipe to wipe this down, then you use the cleaning cloth to clean it down. Then we're going to use the dust remover stickers to remove all the dust. You can see the device has a lot of accumulated dust around the side here. So once you do that, you apply this screen protector on top. Now it is a full cover of the cameras. You can see there are no holes in this glass. This glass is quite full. So there is one hole here, the middle hole right here, which is for the flashlight. So I guess that can affect the flashlight if you have the glass covering the flashlight. There could be reflections issues, so that's why they kind of like left a hole right there for the flashlight, but everything else is being covered, fully covered. The glass is very smooth. You can feel it's actually it's quite smooth. When you're touching it, it feels quite nice to touch. And yeah, you place it on top of that, and that should protect your camera on the Galaxy S21. Now even this part here made of glass, so you want to provide protection for that as well, and it would be nice to have scratches on this surface here as well. So that's why getting a camera protector is perfect for your Galaxy S21 or the S21 Ultra. And that's it. Thank you for watching this unboxing videos. This is everything you will get inside this box when you are purchasing the WhiteStone camera glass protector for your Galaxy S21 Ultra. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.